What's happening, guys? I got another gauge to add to the family from the one and only AEM Performance Electronics. To be specific, I got a wideband air fuel ratio gauge. I got the digital gauge, but they do come in the needle gauge. So let's just get right into it. First thing you see is the gauge itself with a black face. Here we got a white face and a silver trim. Here we got some butt connectors and an O2 sensor weldable bung. Bosch wideband O2 sensor. Last but not least, we got the wiring harnesses for the gauge and the sensor. To make it official, we've been blessed with a sticker from AEM. To make the install as simple as possible, for the gauge harness, all we need to worry about is the red, which is for power, and the black for ground. The white and the blue are optional, you don't need to install them to get the gauge working, so we're just gonna leave those two disconnected. Since my pillar pod only has 2 spots for gauges, I really have no place else to put this gauge, so we're gonna make our own pod. I have this spare headlight switch housing that we're gonna use, and the goal is to mount the gauge through this vent right here. I'm gonna cut around the vent, slide the gauge in, and maneuver the wires inside, then finally make adjustments so it fits into the dash. Okay, so our custom pod setup is done. Got the gauge in there. It's not going anywhere. I got it real tight. I got both of the harnesses wired through the back. Now let's go ahead and install this bad boy.